In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow a channel and ClickUp. So if you had followed or you are added to a particular channel and you like to leave, then it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, go over to these names here or followers, and then if you click on it, you'll see all the followers that are on this channel. Now go ahead and find your name, or if you want to remove someone, you can just go ahead and click on unfollow and they leave the channel. So go ahead and find your name or your email and then click on unfollow here, and from now henceforth you will no longer be a member of that channel. So that's how you can unfollow a channel and ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.